Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you getting media notifications in Meta AI that you don't need? You can turn them off in just a few simple steps. This is useful if you want fewer notifications and a more focused experience while using the app. Let me show you how. First, open the Meta AI app on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then tap the settings icon. Scroll down and tap notifications. Next, open following and followers. Here, you will find the option media on Meta AI. If the toggle is enabled, you may receive notifications related to media activity. To stop these alerts, simply turn the toggle off. Once disabled, you will no longer receive media notifications from this section. This helps reduce unnecessary notifications and keeps your app experience cleaner. And that's how to turn off media notifications in Meta AI on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.